Hey guys, it's Kyrie, and today we're talking breakfast in a segment I like to call Baking with Basic. Okay guys, so I'm here with my friend Eric, aka Basic. He is a music artist from the Hampton Roads area, and we're gonna make a vegan breakfast today. So we had this plan a while back, and we were gonna make multiple different breakfasts, and I was gonna put it on this big wheel that I was gonna create and have him spin. Well, life got in the way and I didn't make a wheel, but I still wanted him to be able to choose the recipe we made. So I put all the recipe options in this cup, and I'm gonna have him pull one out and figure out what we're gonna make today.
Here. Omelets.
All right, so we're gonna make vegan chickpea omelets. And the ingredients are as follows.
All right, we got a 1/4 cup of almond milk. We have 3 tablespoons of vegan yogurt.
I'm using the So Delicious coconut milk yogurt.
We also have a cup of water, and we have a cup of chickpea flour.
And in this, we have 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, a 1/2 tablespoon of salt, a 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne, 1/4 each of turmeric, garlic powder, kala namak, which is Indian black salt, baking soda, and cumin powder, and a various assortment of veggies. Okay, so step 1, I'm gonna have you put all of the dry ingredients into the bowl and whisk them together, okay?
Cool.
And while you're doing that, tell us a little bit about the type of music you make.
All right, while I'm pouring in, the type of music I make, well, first of all, my name is Basic. It stands for Be About Success in Controversy. So the music that I make is inspiring music. It's like I talk about issues and I talk about ways to get out of those issues. And mainly I talk about my own so that people can just can avoid the mistakes that I make. So
Yeah, we were talking about it earlier, and you were saying that the music that you're coming out with soon is kind of like people being able to read your diary.
yeah,
Like
my album. Yeah, I've been making it since 2014 actually, on and off. So I'm really excited about it. I really can't wait for people to hear it.
Cool. Well, you can go ahead and add the water. And I'll put the link. I'll put like a link in the description to more information about him and his social media handles, so you guys can check him out as well. And yeah, you can go ahead and whisk that, and then you can add the yogurt as well. What some people might not know about you, including some of your own followers, is that you are plant-based, right?
Yes, I am.
All right. What made you become plant-based? Whoa. Do you smell that?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so the kala namak, the black Indian salt, is supposed to give an eggy scent and like texture to it because it has sulfur in it. And now that it's wet, it like just smacked us in the face with the Right, you were holding it together, but I was like, yo, okay. So yeah, tell me a little bit about what made you decide to go plant-based.
I was curious about it, and I did some reading on it, and I was like, well, I like to cook on my own, and I'm like creative, so I'm like, well, let me just try it and see if it really makes me feel better, and it actually does, like health-wise and stuff. So
And mix it up, get as many lumps out, and then if you can't get them all out, I can definitely do it. So, got it.
I think we might be good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I might add just a little bit more chickpea flour, but not this all mixed up. We can go ahead and move on to the stove, okay?
Perfect.
Cool. Okay, so we're over here at the stove. I have a large pan heating up on medium heat. Once it gets to that heat, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pan with an oil. And I have some coconut oil spray from Trader Joe's. This is not a sponsored video. I also have my half cup scoop, and we're gonna hope for the best. So gonna scoop some of our batter. This is the consistency that it should be. I did add a tablespoon of more chickpea flour, and we're gonna go ahead and pour that into your pan.
Yeah.
What ingredients do you want in your omelet?
I want everything.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold it over at this point. It's been cooking for about 5-ish minutes, and you can start to tell that the center is about to set, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold it over. Okay, so while mine is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and let him try his hot, and you can give us your verdict.
All right, this is gonna be a real reaction.
I'm nervous.
I think it's gonna be good.
It looks good.
It looks fantastic, to be honest with you. Ready?
All right,
Sure.
Here we go. Ready as I'll ever be. Is it good? Oh my God, it's good! Really good! Yay!
That's really good.
Yay!
I'm not playing. You should. Oh my God.
So you're happy with that one?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish making mine.
Oh,
I think I'm gonna go a little bit lighter than my friend Basic over here. I think I'm just gonna do mushrooms, some of the leeks, the tomato, and then sprinkle mine with chives. But yeah, really quick, really easy, and go ahead and try it for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.